Faceless Avatar AI is one of the most exciting new tools on the market, and today I'm going to share with you 7 crucial things you need to know about this groundbreaking software. If you're looking to create realistic avatars for video content but don't want to put yourself in front of the camera, this tool might just be a game changer for you. Stick around because I'll cover what makes this software stand out and why it could be perfect for content creators, marketers, and even businesses. First off, Faceless Avatar AI lets you generate lifelike avatars without needing to appear on camera. This means you can create professional-looking videos without the hassle of setting up equipment or worrying about lighting and editing. Whether you're making tutorials, product demos, or marketing videos, this AI will handle all the visual elements for you, giving you more time to focus on content quality. One of the best things about this software is how easy it is to use. It doesn't require any advanced skills to get started. With just a few clicks, you can choose from a variety of avatars, and the AI instantly animates them based on the script you provide. It's as simple as typing in the text, and the avatar starts speaking your message. This is a major time saver for anyone looking to streamline their video production process. Another crucial feature to highlight is the customization. Faceless Avatar AI offers a range of avatars with different looks, tones, and even languages. This means you can tailor the avatars to match your brand's personality or target audience. Whether you want a professional tone or a more casual, friendly vibe, you can select the perfect avatar to fit your needs. And yes, it supports multiple languages, so if you're targeting international audiences, this software has you covered. But what truly sets this software apart from other avatar creators is its advanced AI technology. Unlike simple avatar animation tools, Faceless Avatar AI integrates cutting-edge deep learning models that ensure the avatar's lip syncing and facial expressions are extremely realistic. This makes your content feel more engaging and human rather than stiff or robotic. The AI even mimics natural speech patterns, so it sounds less like a text-to-speech bot and more like a real person. One thing you should definitely know is the affordability. While many avatar creation tools can be expensive, Faceless Avatar AI is incredibly cost-effective, especially considering the quality of the output. And the best part? You can try it for free through the link below, which gives you a great opportunity to test it out before committing. If you're on the fence, this is a no-brainer. Now, let's talk about how Faceless Avatar AI can supercharge your digital marketing efforts. You know how important video content is for engagement and conversion, but not everyone wants to be on camera. This software opens up a whole new world for marketers who want to scale their content creation without the cost of hiring actors or getting into the studio. With Faceless Avatar AI, you can quickly churn out professional, engaging videos that speak directly to your audience. Before I wrap up, I want to leave you with something crucial. While Faceless Avatar AI is fantastic, there are other AI tools that can help you elevate your content even further. After testing thousands of AI softwares, I've narrowed down my top recommendations, and you can try them for free through the links in the description. If you want to stay ahead of the curve with AI technology in content creation and digital marketing, Faceless Avatar AI is definitely worth your attention. Try it out for free and see how it can streamline your process and improve the quality of your content. Check out the recommended tools in the description and feel free to explore them, whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your content strategy. Thanks for watching.